If you have something like asthma, which makes it hard to breathe, the medicine you need is not a liquid or a pill. It's a wet mist. Just like you use a little cup or spoon to take liquid medicine, an inhaler with a spacer is what you use to get the wet mist into your body. An inhaler is small. You can hold it in your hand, and the spacer part holds the medicine. Whenever you need to take your medicine, you'll take a puff from your inhaler with a spacer. The puff softly rains medicine right into your lungs. First, learning how to use an inhaler with a spacer can feel a little silly. The adults who take care of you can help. And it will get easier with practice. Remember, using an inhaler can help you feel better and breathe easier. Whew! But if you ever have any questions, it's always okay to speak up.